Hello everybody! My name is TammyKikoy and welcome back to my channel! Today, we'll be reacting to another Fourth Impact song titled It's Not The Same Anymore. I think this is a MV, a music video for a trailer or a movie, and without any further ado, without any further hanash, let's go and watch the video. 1, 2, 3, go!
Love is strange, I shouldn't let you walk away. I'm feeling sad and
Diyos ko po.
Sa lahat ng pwede mo maging reaksyon, Diyos ko po.
I've been told that a woman just needs a man. So let me be the one and try to understand. Oh baby, try to understand. It's not the same anymore since you walked out of me. It's not the same as before since my baby is gone. You know I love you, I still love you. No matter what I do or what I say, I keep on thinking about you since you ran away. Now I'm sure that a woman just needs a man.
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Ako ang asawa ng inaasawa ng asawa mo.
What makes you think na asawa ko ang masawa sa asawa mo? Hindi ba pwedeng asawa mo ang masawa sa asawa ko?
Ha?
It's not the same anymore since you walked out of me. It's not the same as before since my baby is gone. You know I love you, I still love you. It's not the same anymore since you walked out of me. It's not the same as before since my baby is gone. You know I love you, I still love you. I shouldn't let you walk away.
Oh my God, Lian! Sila nga yun! Mga bakla ng taon!
It's not the same anymore since you walked out of me. It's not the same as before since my baby is gone. You know
I have a
love
plan.
you.
Sisiguraduhin nating hindi sila magiging masaya.
It's not the same anymore since you walked out of me. It's
Ang dalawang Mrs. Reyes.
Malungkot tayo tapos sila masaya? Hindi pwede yun. Walang liligaya.
January 17, 2018 in cinemas nationwide.
Wow! I like the way the music video was made, and it is actually good, and their voices were so clear and controlled, and I love the way they sing because it is not so noisy. The tone, the notes were on point, and I like it so much. And nice, this is a good opportunity for them because they made a music video for a movie trailer in the Philippines, a movie in the Philippines. Mr. and dalawang Mrs. Reyes already aired, shown in the cinemas. Anyways guys, if you have any more Fourth Impact videos you want me to react, please drop down the comment box, and if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.